I'm here with the man who sued Papa John's for $1 million. He would like to remain anonymous, and he would like to be called Poobie. So Poobie, tell us what happened.
Well, I ordered a pizza from Papa John's, pretty standard pepperoni pizza. So they deliver it, and I go to bite into it, and I see that. That's a nose.
It sure is.
Yeah, I say that's not a pepperoni. That's a nose. It's a human nose.
Yep.
So
Just like a regular Papa John's pepperoni pizza, I guess, because I guess I've never had one before. Here we go.
Oh my God, what is that?
Oh no, there's a nose in my pizza.